Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Trade's account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Instagram, then tap on your profile icon, and there on the top you'll find your Threads icon right here. Or you can just simply go ahead and open up the Threads app. And once you're there, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the horizontal bar icons on the top right corner. And once you do that, here among options you'll find the option that says account. Tap on that. And once you're inside here, you'll have the option that says deactivate or delete profile. Simply tap on that, and now here you'll be provided with two options, that is deactivating your profile is temporary and deleting your profile is permanent. Now if you want to deactivate your profile, all you gotta do is simply tap on the deactivate profile and then follow the on-screen instructions. Or if you want to simply delete your profile of the Threads account, then simply tap on delete profile, and all you gotta do is follow the on-screen instructions, and then you'll be able to successfully delete your Threads account. That's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.